Okay, here's the 3D printed GOG, not painted, with the exception of the treads. I went ahead and put black on that so that would stand out a little bit better. But obviously I would need to hit the whole thing with that light Robothut blue and then go back and do all the silver bits on the arms and wherever that goes, and then repaint the black, repaint the hoses, some of the head bits get painted. I was going to do a whole comparison show and tell of what I've designed here compared to all of the movie frame grabs and stills that I had, but seems like too much work. This base piece in the movie can be rotated so that those springs, which in some of the pictures are directly below the arms, aren't in some other pictures. They're in the front and there are other places, and there's one solid bar sometimes can be seen clear in the back, and these are in different locations. So this bottom piece can be rotated. I don't believe it ever rotates as the film is running, but I mean as a prop could be set. And then the upper part, this part up here that the arms are connected on, can be rotated separate from this part. Because like I said before, there are images where these springs, which are connected to this, are directly below these arms, and there's other pictures where these spring coil things, there's one directly below this arm. Now of course this build I built as the attacking GOG, which means it's got the flamethrower. You can also do the passive GOG, which means you would just print, instead of the 4 arms, you would print 5 and you put another arm here. And the neck length changes with what the robot's doing. If it's passive, you would use the short neck, which is like about half of what you see there. But when it's in attack mode with the flamethrower going, then you've got the full length neck part going on. So I guess I could try to put it on the floor and show the bump and go for those that are interested. It's not going to be real easy, so just hang on. I'm going to be moving this camera around. Let's see if we can find some floor space here. Alright, let's try that. And bump it into my foot so it can change direction. Well, the bump and go drive works really well. It gives it that unpredictable mystery action that you expect to see. And the files for all of these parts will be up on Thingiverse shortly. I'll have a link in the description box down below for that, or I'll add it later, one or the other. If the weather warms up, I'll go ahead and hit this with some paint and try to paint up some of the details so you can see what it looks like when it's all painted up. Right now it's being winter, it's too cold out in the shop for paint really to dry well, and spray paint is too stinky to use in the house, so I'm kind of locked out of that, unfortunately. I'll have a link to the first video where I show the base and the bump and go drive unit as well down below.